morning, children. Good morning. How are you? Fine. Okay. I am welcoming to listen the 7th class first unit, first lesson. That is the town mouse and then country mouse. Do you know what is the difference between the mouse and then rat? Okay, I'll tell. Rat means, here I wrote, mouse is the small one. Mouse is the small one. Maybe you might have seen in the kitchen rooms and everything, no? They will be wandering here and there for the food. So rat means it is a big one, a little big one. Okay? So mouse tail is smaller, thin tail, lighter. The tail is lighter and then thin. Whereas rat tail is longer, thick tail, heavier. Okay, ma? Have you understood what is the difference between the mouse and then rat? Both are belong to the same group, but the mouse is a small one and rat is the big one. Okay? Okay. Now I am going to tell what is the lesson, what is the main concept of the town mouse and country mouse. Here, town mouse living in the town. So you can imagine when I am telling the lesson, you imagine they are the human beings, then you can understand clearly. Okay? So town mouse is living in the town, country mouse living in the village. Country means village. Country means village. So town mouse and country mouse both are the cousins. Both are the cousins. Cousins means sisters. Sisters' sons or brothers' sons. Okay, both are the cousins. So here, why this is the country and then town? What is the difference? Maybe you might have understood what is the weather of the town, what is the weather of the country. So nowadays, country is also very fine one than the town. Okay, here one day town mouse wrote a letter to country mouse. But in those days, they don't have the WhatsApp, then email and telegrams and something letter. Nothing was there. So he wrote a letter to country mouse. What was the letter? Here town mouse fell ill. Doctor advised town, you go and take rest in the country. Actually, those who are living in the town, they won't like to come to the country. Maybe they know how is the weather. So town is the luxurious life and village is the not luxury. But nowadays there is a luxurious life also they are maintaining. But here when town mouse written a letter to country mouse given an answer, you come. He given an invitation. So town was started. He packed his luggage and went to the train. He boarded the train and started the journey to country. As soon as town mouse entered in the train, what happened? No, there was no AC. He felt so bored. He felt so uneasy. He was feeling thirsty. He was feeling hot. But what he was thinking? No, he was thinking himself, I wish there was an air condition. That means he was thinking, but there was no air condition. If it is air condition, how nice, my journey also smoothly goes, no, like that he thought. But here on the platform, country mouse was waiting for the town mouse. Country mouse waiting for the town mouse. He got down. As soon as he got down, what was the conversation? You be careful. The conversation between the country mouse and then town mouse. Town mouse saying, cousin, oh, cousin, the journey was very dreadful. Dreadful means so tired. It was not the comfortable. It was uncomfortable. There was no AC. I felt so unhappy. I felt thirsty. There was no water. Then he started to ask the questions to the country mouse. What was the first question? No? While they were starting to the home, on the way, what was the question? Question by the town mouse to country mouse. Country mouse, is there any ice cold water for me to drink? Why? Town mouse asked the ice cold water because he maintained the luxurious life. That's what he asked. Is there any ice cold water? What is the answer of the country mouse? Ice cold water? I have the coconut water. If you want, I'll get the coconut water. Then what was the question by the town mouse? The first one is, when the country mouse said coconut water, coconut water, he questioned. That means town mouse does not like to drink the coconut water. That's what. Then second one, is there any orange juice, lemon all those he was asking. But country mouse does not have anything, only coconut water. Then next question, is there any breakfast? Yes, I'll bring. If you like root, sugar cane, tender sugar cane. Tender means delicate one. I'll bring sugar cane. Again he questioned sugar cane. Again he questioned the sugar cane. That means town mouse does not like to take all these. Coconut water they never take. All the juice bottles kept in the fridge. But here country mouse not having any fridge, nothing was there. He will go out and brought something to eat. That is the duty of the country mouse. But here third one, after taking the sugar cane, he does not like to eat the sugar cane. But to fill the stomach, how he ate? No, he ate unwillingly, with hesitation. He nibbled means without like that one. And third one, after eating sugar cane without interesting, without concentration, without liking, the third one, town was asking where how to sleep. Where how to sleep. First one, coconut water. Second one, sugar cane. And third one, he was asking where how to sleep. But country mouse not having the Dunlop beds and then cot, where he showed, no. See, my dear cousin, you go and sleep in the corner hole. Actually, rats will live in the holes only, no. So country mouse showed the town mouse on the ground. How I sleep on the ground? Yes, this is the country. We'll sleep there only. Like that, country mouse given the answer to town mouse. But he fed up to live in the country. He does not like. He was thinking when I have to leave the country. Then next one, when he was sleeping on the ground, suddenly he thought one idea. He called cousin. He called. Country mouse came. What is the question? No? Why this country was so quiet? So quiet. Third question is the on the ground. And he asked why this country was so quiet. So quiet. There are no lorries, no street light, no radios, no television, nothing was there. What is this? What the country mouse given the answer, no? Country mouse was not feeling bad. If anyone asks you like this, how will you give the answer? With a rush. Yes, this is only. If you like, or not, you go. We will give the type of the answer. But here, country mouse having the patience. He was giving the answer to town mouse with polite manner. Yes, this is the country where we are living. In our country, There was no radios, no street